In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Microsoft PowerPoint Designer to create professional-looking slides with ease. Think of Designer as your built-in layout assistant. It looks at the content on your slide and instantly proposes polished arrangements, color choices, and image treatments so your presentation looks cohesive without spending hours on formatting. Before we can use it, we need to make sure it's turned on. In PowerPoint, open the File tab, choose Options, and then go to the General section. Look for the settings related to design ideas and connected experiences and make sure they're enabled. This is crucial. Designer relies on those features to generate suggestions, and if they're off, you won't see any recommendations appear. While you're there, it can also help to make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet, since some of Designer's capabilities use online services. If this tutorial is helping you out, remember to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you're notified whenever a new tutorial is posted. Now, let's see Designer in action. Start by adding content to a slide. Type a clear title, add a few bullet points, or insert an image. As soon as PowerPoint detects meaningful content, a panel on the right side should open automatically with design suggestions. Each card in that panel is a ready-made layout. Click the one you like, and it will instantly apply a clean, professional arrangement to your slide. You can keep editing your text or swap an image, and the suggestions will refresh to match what's on the slide. As you build out your presentation, Designer keeps working quietly in the background, offering new layouts and styles that stay consistent with your overall theme. It's non-destructive, so you can try different ideas without risk. Use undo if you change your mind. For best results, give Designer something strong to work with. Short, descriptive titles, high-quality images, and not too much text on a single slide. If suggestions don't appear, double-check that the settings are enabled, that the slide actually has content, and that your connection is active. And that's it. You've seen how to enable and use Microsoft PowerPoint Designer to quickly elevate your slides with just a click. With these settings on and a few thoughtful content choices, you can produce professional, consistent presentations in a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.